Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this money-making tutorial, I will show you how to earn $550 per day with YouTube Shorts. This is free and available worldwide. No need to film, so make sure to follow all the step-by-step guide presented in the video. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll also discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments section if you enjoy learning and new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. You must first create and maintain your own PayPal account before proceeding to the website. So go to paypal.com and click this button to create a 100% free account. Simply complete the essential fields and connect to your personal PayPal account. If you don't want to use or do that, you can open your own bank account online by searching on Google for online bank account and My Country and creating a fully free account on that online banking site. Let's go into the details of how you'll make money from YouTube Shorts right now. So I figured out a little YouTube trick that would allow you to start making money from YouTube clips right now without having to monetize them. It is built around a single keyword, the phrase PayPal giveaway. So I'm going to show you step by step how to start making money using YouTube Shorts. So let's get started on what you'll need to do to get money from these YouTube Shorts. So the first step is to gather material from YouTube Shorts. I don't want you to have to film the video yourself, so we'll head to fexels.com, a copyright-free stock footage website where you may download non-copyright photos and videos for use on your YouTube channel. Now, I use this type of platform to get content for my YouTube channel, so I'll teach you exactly how to accomplish it. Now, we'll look for the term currency. We'll only look for the term cash since I want to show money in the film. As you can see, there are a lot of videos with money, but the difficulty is that they're horizontal rather than vertical. And shorts are supposed to be vertical for mobile phones. You may now scroll down to see what videos are available for mobile devices. This is a fantastic one. We could use it because it depicts a man counting $10 bills, but it's not that memorable. Okay, it's catchy, but the guy is basically counting money, so it's not that memorable. Okay, this one is much more tempting. It's a fantastic picture that we and you can both benefit from. Now, I chose this one because it's in a mobile format, it's vertical, and it's funny because people wearing these masks are eating $100 bills, and we're going to use that for the PayPal giveaway. And I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do a PayPal giveaway using this one website and how we're going to get the shorts to go viral using this one website. As a result, because it is not copyrighted, this is the video that you should use. We'll download this video since it's hilarious and shows someone you know eating $100 bills while wearing these masks. That is the initial and most crucial step. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. To let people know we're hosting a PayPal giveaway, we'll make a video and add some text to it. Although neither you nor I am currently using this platform, I will tell you how to begin making money with it. So let's get started with Canva. So Canva.com is essentially a free video and photo editing program, but if you type in mobile video in the search bar, you can go ahead and make a blank mobile video by pressing here. And there you have it. Now we'll go ahead and drag this over to the video that we saved to our computer. And we'll size it precisely for a mobile video by pressing this. And we're done. Okay, so I'm going to add some text and it'll basically be $1,000 PayPal giveaway. And then we're going to move it up here, and then we're going to grab another one down here that says link down below, and then we could go ahead and add some arrows down below to let people know. And we could do that by going to Elements and typing an arrow. We could pick an arrow from the list, but we'll go with one that isn't on the list. This one is my favorite since it's enormous, so it's appealing to people to go down below and place it there. As a result, we now have this video with a $1,000 PayPal offer to spark people's curiosity. They'll think to themselves, wow, $1,000? And then scroll through YouTube Shorts until they find this $1,000 PayPal contest. They'll watch a funny film with money in it to explain what is it all about. And then it will say link below, and this link will pay us. And I'll show you how to get it. After we've downloaded this film to our computers, we'll move on to the next site. Right here on top right-hand corner, you'll press download to save it to your computer so you can watch it later. Right now, we're going to offervault.com. If you put in your email address, this is an affiliate network that will pay you commissions via PayPal. I'm going to type in PayPal right now. And as we scroll down, we'll see various sweepstakes offers that will pay you money, and one of the sweepstakes offers will pay you for leads, which means emails. Someone will be charged $4.90 when they submit their details into their email. So we'll click on it, and as you can see, they'll pay you $4.90 per lead, which means $4.90 per email that someone provides and leads them to this site. So if you have $1,000 in your PayPal account, would you prefer a PayPal gift card? If they choose yes, they'll enter the email address and enter the contest. And this company will pay you $4.90 simply for entering their email address. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Your email address can be used to enter for a chance to win $1,000. But it is not how we will make money. We'll gain money by having people watch our short videos and then supplying their email addresses. For every email sent, we'll receive $4.90. To acquire your one-of-a-kind link, you'll need to run an offer. Okay, so you'll click Run Offer, fill out the form, and then they'll give you your personal URL. They will provide you a one-of-a-kind link that will take you to this website. I'm going to copy the link because we'll be monetizing the YouTube Shorts using it. Now we're going to YouTube, and I'm going to post that video that we generated on Canva. And I'm going to title it $1,000 Payment Giveaway, followed by #shorts. In order for YouTube to identify that this is a short video, you must use the #shorts, less than a minute or 60 seconds. It's the ideal location, about 50 to 20 seconds. And then we'll add that special link, so we'll say something like click here to join giveaway, and you'll copy and paste the URL here. That is our affiliate link, which will lead you to the website, and we will receive $4.90 if someone clicks on it and provides their email address. So if 50,000 people see the videos and 1,000 of them fill out an email form, we made over $4,000 just from people filling out email forms after watching our YouTube Shorts. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you earn $550 per day with YouTube Shorts. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next video.